Today we're going to be making origami doves.
The first thing we're going to do is fold the paper in half diagonally. Then fold it again, just like I did. Now I'm going to bring down the flap on one side, turn it over, and do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to fold over the top of the triangle down to the center, open it back up, and I'm going to push in that part, as you can see, and then flatten it out. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Put down the top point to the center, open it up, and then push in the flap, and then flatten it. Okay, it should look like this. Now I'm going to work on the beak. I'm going to fold it over like so, then open it up, and I'm going to push it in like this, kind of like push it in like this. And there's my beak. Now I'm going to fold up the wing on one side, fold up the wing on the other side, and I'm almost done. I'm going to fold the tail back down, open it up, flatten it out, and fold it over. And there's my dove.